Today we're going to start on the off-road bumper for the Jeep. They already have it cut out, and all you have to do is bend it and weld it together. And they make it pretty easy because they already have a lot of it cut out, and they leave little small areas so you can bend it pretty easy. So this right here is the winch bracket, and what you're going to do is these pieces here, you're going to just flip them up, and you're going to do these brackets right here, you're going to fold them up. So now we need to pull the Jeep up in here, and we'll remove this front bumper. So on the bumper there's 2 brackets, and I believe they're a 9/16. There's 3 bolts per bracket. Now we're going to install our brackets, and on the driver's side you're going to tie into the steering box bolts, and those are pretty common to break. I actually had 2 of mine break off, so I went out and got 1/2-inch bolts to mount the new brackets on. Then the passenger side's a lot easier. There ain't nothing to tie into, and you just put your bolts in there and go. Alright, so I got the winch plate bolted on, so now we need to make the front face plate. Alright, so now we need to bend this section right here up. After you get it bent, you want to just set it up there, make sure it lines up good. Then after you get lined up, you can go ahead and tack weld it on there. So now we need to build the wing section. That's the pieces that goes on the sides of the bumper. So what we're going to do, we're going to bend this section right here down, then we'll flip it over, and we'll bend this little area right here. Alright, so you can see we got that section bent, and now we need to bend this lip right here down. So now we'll make sure it lines up good. Now this wing here, you're going to bend it the same way. The only difference, you're just going to flip it around. Alright, so now that we got all the pieces bent, we can go ahead and begin by tack welding it up there. Make sure everything lines up good, fits good. Then you can go ahead and weld it on there. You also get brackets for the D-rings, and those install on that front faceplate. So make sure before you tack the faceplate, make sure your D-ring mounts fit in there good. Alright, so we got the wings tack welded on, we got the front faceplate, and the D-ring mounts. Now we're going to bend our side pieces. guys, so I got everything all tack welded up, and now all I gotta do is finish welding everything up. I'll grind it down, then it'll be ready for the paint.